I am open to receiving wealth from expected and unexpected sources. Financial success is my natural state, and I welcome it with open arms. I release all resistance to prosperity, and I allow abundance to flow into my life. I am a prosperity magnet, and I attract success in all areas of my life. I trust in the abundance of the universe, and I am open to receiving miracles. I am a conscious creator of my financial reality, and I choose to manifest wealth. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly because I am aligned with abundance. I am worthy of financial success, and I embrace the opportunities that come my way. I radiate confidence and abundance, attracting wealth and prosperity effortlessly. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more prosperous. I am a vessel of abundance, and I share my wealth generously with the world. I am financially free, and my life is filled with unlimited prosperity. Money is a tool that allows me to live my best life, and I use it wisely. I attract financial opportunities with ease, and I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I release any beliefs that money is scarce, and I embrace the idea of limitless abundance. My bank account is a reflection of my positive thoughts and beliefs about money. I am open to receiving unexpected financial blessings and opportunities. I am a wealth magnet, and I am destined for financial greatness. I am grateful for the wealth that is flowing into my life now. Financial success is my birthright, and I claim it now. I am open to the endless opportunities that the universe provides for my prosperity. I am a magnet for lucrative opportunities, and I attract wealth effortlessly. My mind is a powerful magnet for all the riches of the universe. I am the master of my wealth, and I create it in abundance. I release all fear of lack, and I trust in the abundant nature of the universe. I am aligned with the energy of abundance, and I attract success in all areas of my life. I am worthy of success, and I allow myself to be in the flow of abundance. I am a money magnet, and my bank account is a reflection of my positive thoughts. I attract prosperity effortlessly, and I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Money comes to me easily, and I am open to receiving it in new and exciting ways. I am a beacon of wealth and success, and I inspire others to achieve their financial goals. I am financially secure, and I trust that I am always provided for. I am a powerful creator, and I manifest wealth and abundance with ease. I release any resistance to wealth, and I allow it to flow into my life gracefully. I am open to receiving wealth from known and unknown sources. I am financially abundant, and I attract opportunities that lead to prosperity. My wealth is constantly increasing, and I am open to new and exciting possibilities. I am a magnet for financial miracles, and I expect them to show up in my life daily. I am a wealth creator, and my actions lead to prosperity. I trust that the universe is conspiring to bring abundance into my life. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth and success. I release all doubt and embrace the certainty of my financial success. I am the architect of my financial destiny, and I build it with love and positivity. Money is a tool for me to achieve my dreams, and I use it wisely. I am a money magnet, and my bank account reflects my positive mindset. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more prosperous. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life effortlessly. I am surrounded by an abundance of opportunities, and I attract the best ones for me. My wealth allows me to make a positive impact on the world. I am in harmony with the energy of money, and it flows to me effortlessly. Financial success is a natural outcome of my positive mindset. I am a vessel of financial abundance, and it overflows into every area of my life. I am open to abundance in all its forms, and it comes to me in unexpected ways. I release a scarcity mindset and embrace the abundance that is my birthright. Money is my friend, and it comes to me easily and frequently. I am a prosperous being, and I attract prosperity on all levels. My thoughts are aligned with abundance, and my life is filled with wealth. I am a money magnet, and I am grateful for the financial blessings in my life. I am a beacon of financial success, and I radiate abundance to the world. I attract prosperity effortlessly, and my life is a reflection of my abundant mindset. Wealth flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. I release inner blocks to abundance and invite prosperity into every area of my life. I am open to the limitless possibilities that financial abundance brings. I am a magnet for positive financial opportunities, and I attract success in all endeavors. Money is a tool that allows me to live a fulfilling and purposeful life. I am a conscious creator, and I manifest wealth with ease and joy. I trust that the universe is guiding me towards unlimited prosperity. I am deserving of wealth, and I am open to receiving it in abundance. I release any beliefs about money that no longer serve me, and I embrace abundance. My financial situation is improving every day, and I am grateful for the progress. I am a money magnet, and I attract financial success with grace and ease. My income is growing, and I am open to new and exciting opportunities. I am aligned with the energy of wealth, and I attract positive financial experiences. I am financially free, and my life is a testament to my prosperity. I release any fear of lack, and I trust in the abundance of the universe. I am a magnet for financial miracles, and I expect them to manifest in my life. Money comes to me effortlessly because I am in tune with the vibrations of prosperity. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me, and I welcome more into my life. I am a money magnet, and my wealth is a natural expression of my inner power. Financial abundance is my birthright, and I claim it with gratitude and joy. I am open to receiving unlimited prosperity from known and unknown sources. Money is a reflection of the value I create in the world, and I create immense value. I am in harmony with the energy of abundance, and it flows to me effortlessly. I attract financial opportunities that align with my passions and purpose. My wealth expands as I help others achieve their goals and dreams. I release a scarcity mentality, and I embrace the limitless abundance of the universe. I am a conscious steward of money, and I use it wisely and responsibly. My bank account is a reservoir of positive energy and financial well-being. I am a master at turning ideas into streams of income and financial success. I am financially independent, and I have the power to create my ideal life. Money flows to me easily, and I welcome it with open arms and an appreciative heart. I am open to receiving money in unexpected and delightful ways. I am a wealth magnet, attracting prosperity with every thought and action. I am aligned with the frequency of abundance, and I attract wealth effortlessly. I am open to receiving blessings, opportunities, and financial miracles. Every day, I am moving closer to my financial goals and dreams. I am a conduit for wealth and abundance, and it flows through me in abundance. I am thankful for the abundant blessings in my life, and I attract even more. I am a wealth creator, and my financial success is a testament to my inner strength. Abundance is my natural state, and I embrace the flow of prosperity in my life. Money is a tool that amplifies my positive impact on the world. I attract financial abundance effortlessly because I am aligned with my true purpose. I am a magnet for lucrative opportunities, and I seize them with confidence. I release any resistance to wealth and joyfully welcome abundance into my life. My thoughts are seeds for financial success, and I plant positive seeds every day. I trust in my ability to create wealth, and I move forward with courage and conviction. I am open to receiving abundance from all directions, and it comes to me in perfect ways. I am a channel for prosperity, and it flows through me and around me at all times. I celebrate the success of others, knowing that their success is a reflection of my own. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied, creating a continuous flow of abundance. I am a conscious creator, and I choose to create a life filled with financial prosperity. I release any attachment to financial struggles and embrace a life of ease and abundance. I am surrounded by a supportive and abundant universe that is constantly providing for me. My wealth is a reflection of the love, positivity, and value I contribute to the world. I am a magnet for financial miracles, and I expect the unexpected to manifest in my favor. Money is a source of good in my life, and I use it to create positive experiences for myself and others. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life and appreciate the abundance around me. I am a beacon of prosperity, and my life is a reflection of the wealth within me. I am a wealth-conscious being, and my financial abundance is a reflection of my mindset. Every step I take is a step toward financial success, and I walk confidently on this path. I release any fear of lack and welcome the boundless abundance that surrounds me. My bank account is a reservoir of positive energy, and it grows with each passing day. I am aligned with the rhythm of prosperity, and I dance joyfully in its abundance. I am a magnet for financial opportunities, and I attract them effortlessly. I am a wise steward of my money, and it multiplies in miraculous ways. Money flows into my life like a gentle river, nourishing everything it touches. I am open to receiving abundance from both expected and unexpected sources. I am deserving of all the wealth and success that flows into my life. My income is constantly increasing, and I welcome the blessings that come with it. I trust in the divine timing of my financial success, and I am patient as it unfolds. I am a magnet for financial prosperity, and I attract wealth from every direction. I am grateful for the financial lessons that have led me to this place of abundance. My wealth allows me to live a life of purpose, joy, and contribution. I am a conscious creator, and I choose to manifest financial abundance effortlessly. I am in harmony with the frequency of wealth, and I resonate with its vibrations. I release any doubts about my financial abilities, and I embrace my power to create wealth. I attract financial success like a powerful magnet, and it gravitates toward me. I am a money magnet, and my magnetic energy draws wealth into my life continuously.